Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to continue our video from the first part. So today we are starting to code. Now let's first clean this our edge. Yeah. So this page is not initially created. Let's say create here some folders. For that, first is core, and in the core we are going to create some folder like login and sign up. This will be our core folder, and there will be others. One thing let me do is create a folder called app and move this in core in app, and in the app let's create folder called features. Okay, so let's understand that this is our folder structure. First, in the app there is a core feature. In the core we are creating our login and sign up, and in the feature folder we are going to create all our features in a different folder. Let's first create home page. So for that we are creating home, and other thing is we also need detail page. So let's create details, and then here is first folder is explore folder. After that there is a for you and bookmark profile. So let's create that folder also. Explore for you bookmark and profile folder. Every folder contain their specific code. So now let's start our in the core field. Let's create a sign up page. First thing there, let's create our screen. So, and in the screen let's create our sign up screen, or yes, sign up screen dot. So here let's create our stateless widget and provide the name sign up screen. Let's import our material app. Now that's it, and provide this in here. Import this thing. Okay, now let's run this application, and we are seeing, so that we can see our application running. Okay, one thing you can see that I have created an asset folder. In the asset I have created an image and icon folders. In the image folder currently it is empty, but we will add later if we require any images. And in the icon we have added our logo. Don't worry, you will find this logo in the GitHub repository. Check out that. And for that I have added this thing in pubspec.yaml, this thing, so that I can access this icon. So in the core folder app, core, create a folder called constant, and in the constant let's create asset sets constant. Here we will only create our constant Okay, now let's create a class asset constant. This will be a static a string, and this will be the logo. So let's create this, copy this path and add here. Okay, so let's replicate this, I mean change this. Okay, now just think a string. Okay, provide the name logo. Okay, that's it. So our app is now running. Let's see that. Okay, this is running, but nothing see shown here. Let's do this and remove container and add a scaffold. Yeah, now this thing. Let's remove our debug banner. Banner false. Okay, so let's see this UI for the sign up. This is the our UI. There is a logo, and after that there is three fields: email, password, confirm password, and there is some text. After that a button, and there are two buttons for hide and show passwords. Okay, so let's create this thing. So for that, let's convert our app from stateless to stateful. Yeah, do we need stateless or stateful? Let's try to run this app. I mean, continue this. After, if you need anything, we can convert that. So let's create a controller for the three of, and first create a form field, then final underscore form key global key, and provide here state form, mean form state. Okay, so it will not be constant anymore. Let's remove this thing. Okay, now you are seeing that I have created a key. It will a global key. Its type is form state. So this key will be used to manage our the state of the forms that we are creating in this app. So let's go to the body and add a padding edge insert dot all. From every side we want 20 padding, and after that let's add a form, I mean child, and this will be a form, and it will have a child, but we will provide this later. First add key underscore key. Okay, let's correct this, not for key, this will be a form key. Okay, that's it. And for the child I can use column. Yeah, should we use column? Okay, invalid constant. What this means is scaffold is not anymore constant. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so let's see this. This is a, I mean text button. If I am doing, yeah, this is a text button. After that there is a logo. So let's do this. First add a text button. Let's remove column here and provide some children. First alignment alignment dot top left, no, top right. Okay, and child, it will be a text button, and in the child we'll provide a data like this, and this will be login, and we'll provide, if it is a button then we can provide on press. Okay, so on the unpress it will do nothing. Let's see why it is not showing that. Let's add this thing in a container safe area, I mean not container. Okay, now our text is visible here, so yeah, that will be correct. Let's increase this font, login. Okay, and after that provide some style, text style. Font size will be 20. Is it good? Mhm. One thing is we will not provide this padding from all sides. This will be symmetry on that only. No, only top 20 and from sides left 8.0 comma right also this will be 8.0. Yeah, now this look good. So after adding this thing, let's go to the add our logo. So for that, let's add a image.assets. Okay, image.assets, and here asset constant dot logo. Okay, let's remove this thing. We will only see assets. Yeah, okay. Let's do a hot restart. Okay, so our app is showing, but so let's wrap this in a size box. It size box and provide height. Height. What will be the height? Let's 50. Okay, 150, 250. Yeah. Now it will be good. As I am seeing that. Okay, let's do this. Okay, now after that we will going to add three form field and a button. Okay, for that let's create a some editing text editing controller. So text editing controller. Okay, first is for the email and passwords. Okay, yeah, email, email, text editing, edit, controller. Okay, there goes text editing controller. So this is for the email. There will be password and confirm password. Password, and this will be for the confirm password. Okay, this is done. Let's create some boolean here for toggle the but I mean password hidden or so. So create some bool each password word word hide equals to, by default it will be true. And one thing is for confirm password. Confirm password. Okay, so let's start. Text form field. Okay, can we write? Yes, we can. Okay, now let's provide controller. It will be email controller. After that, here is a field. Yeah, we can write there. Great. So let's provide some decoration here for the decoration. Input decoration. Provide some border for the enabled border. Outlined input border and border radius. Border radius are circular 25.0. Okay, this is good like that, not exactly. Let's, it will be 15. Yeah, that's it. So it's enable border. Let's do this for focused also. Focused border and copy paste this thing. Yeah. So this thing happened, done. After that, what we are going to do, provide some here label. So for that, in the decoration label, yeah, it will be label text, I think. Yeah, label text email. Okay, so for this, yeah, this thing is happen in the label. If we want to provide not doing this thing, we can use hint text or hint, yeah, hint text. So if we are doing hint text, then this will not go above. Yeah, let's add the hint text. Okay, so this will happen. Now let's create this for other thing. Okay, we haven't add any checking for this, I mean validation. So let's add this, or we can add later. Yeah, let's we add later. Create some spacing, size box, height 10. Okay, now let's replicate this thing. Okay, so this is, and here it is the password, password, and here also it will be password. And one other things we can add here is that icon. It will be suffix icon. fix icon, and we can wrap in a icon button. So for that we can provide unclick method there. Go this, and what will be here, do is hide password equals to negation of is hide password. It will do that. If password is visible, it will do this to invisible, and if it is invisible, it will convert them to visible. So here I can use icons, and we can use icon according to this password. If image it is hide, then we can provide icons dot visibility. Let's see that. Else icons dot visibility of. Yeah, so this thing, and if we add there, it is not doing anything. And we could add obscured. What is obscure text is hide, confirm password, and here what we'll do, set state. Okay, so for this thing we can wrap this, I mean convert this stateless widget to stateful. Okay, let's see this. Now we can use set state here. Yeah, that's it. Now this is hidden first, and if we click on this is that. Okay, yeah, is this, let's say visibility off, and this will be visibility. Yes, this is visible, and if you click on this is showing that it is invisible. Okay, so let's copy this thing so that we can change minimum things. First here is confirm password, and is confirm. So here also this will be is confirm, and here confirm password. Okay, and let's wrap this in a single child scroll view so that there will not any, I mean, oh, that's not a, so there will be not any overflow. Okay, let's do this thing. Yeah, let's wrap this column, navigate single child scroll view. Okay, so now what this will do, if we want to use our things, it will make this button scrollable. Okay, now let's add some text like this. By clicking sign up, you will agree to our terms and condition as well as our privacy policy. So we will add them later. Let's add a sign up button. Okay, okay. Elevated button. Unpress per will do something. Provide child text. Yes, sign up. Okay, now let's see this. This button is like this. So let's provide some decoration style, and it will be elevated button style, elevated button dot style from, and it will be minimum size. It take size, and this size will be width and height. So width will be media query dot of context dot size dot width width. Okay, now let's move this to the height. Height will be 40. Yeah, now this thing is good. Let's add size box 20, and this button is good, or we can add some color here. Okay, now let's add background color and it will be colors. Now let's create a other constant color constant color constant static color type. It will be, yeah, like this, because yeah, this will be a color type. Color primary color, primary color, and it will be colors dot red accent. Yeah, now let's import material as colors dot red accent. Okay, that will be good. Only dot primary color. So primary color is added through the our app, and its height is little low. So add some height. Yeah, that's it. And this style foreground color. Let's add here primary secondary color. Second colors dot white. White. Not white, it will be colors dot secondary color. Yeah, that's it. And add some style here. It will be text style, and font size will be 20. Yeah, that's it. So our first page design is completed for the sign up. Now let's create our second page, that is login form. So for the login, let's use all this thing. Yeah, okay. Now in the login, create screens, and in the screen create login screen. Screen dot. So for that, let's create a stateful widget. Login screen. Okay, that's it. Yeah, let's create, copy this thing and add all this thing in here, and remove something that not required. Okay, now let's see what is in our login screen. There will be a sign up button, and there is a forget password text, and there will be only password, and this will be, we will add of later. So for that, let's customize our login page. So for going the login page, we will use now currently I have not initialized our go router. So at this time we can use our default routing, that is navigator dot navigator dot push, and here will be route, and this route will be material page route, and what will be the builder. Builder is a type of context, and it will be a login, login screen. Okay, that's it. So if you click on this here, this is our login page. So let's go to the login page, and here change this sign up. Sign up. Okay, that's it. And here let's remove confirm password and this confirm password thing also. So let's remove this thing. Yes, this is removed, and let's add here is text that is forget password. Add a size box, height 10. Okay, that's it. And add here some, this is only text or text button. I think this is a text button, forgot your password. So, yeah, text button, and on press you will not doing anything currently, and let's add here text forgot password, Okay, now let's see this. This is in the our center. So we don't want this in center. For that, wrap it in a line. Widget align and provide some alignment. Alignment alignment will be left, center, left. Yeah, that's it. And just do something like the text button, mean provide some style, then button, text button dot style from, dot style from. So foreground color, this will be colors dot black. So for that, let's go to the our color constant and add here black color, black, and this will be our tertiary color. Yeah, so you, let's add that black color. So our color. Okay, yeah. Now let's use, see, color constant that black color. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. And change this sign up to login. And here this sign up will be separated. Okay, yeah, sign up. Okay, so our today's UI is created. In the tomorrow video, we will add some sort of things like validation and add Firebase authentication, and after that we will go to the our home page. So that's it for the today. Let's meet in the next video tomorrow. That's it. Goodbye.